Hey guys, welcome back to part 6 of the Static Sketchbook series. Today's set of colours are something that I'm a little more used to. I wanted to capture a dark moody landscape illuminated by the lights in the foreground. I hope you like this simple piece, hence without further ado, let's begin.
my fault.